Hi class, welcome to the approved solution video for the largest of three programs. For the approved solutions, I would like you to look at them, make sure you know what's going on, use the concepts in the approved solution to modify, edit, and revise your own code, and then submit that revision to GitHub with a commit, and you'll get credit for a commit. All right, to cover this, this program reinforces the loosely typed nature of Python. In Python, a data type is established when you initialize a variable with a value, like here. So these are all int variables because they are initialized with an integer. You could also initialize something with a string. This is an empty string. So this type is now going to be str. You can see that I hovered over it. str. There we go. It's a string. Here is a float. A float is a decimal, floating point type. And finally, the bool type. To get the type in an expression, use the type function. To output that, use the string function. What else? Hopefully this code is self-documenting. The input function is how we get input from the user. Here is a nested if statement. If statements have a condition. If that condition is true, then what happens after this colon and with for indents is executed. You could have an else with an if statement, and if this initial condition here evaluates to false, then the code block after the else is executed. That's really all there is to it. There's an example here from ChatGPT. We're going to use ChatGPT a lot this semester, and ChatGPT does use the printf statement here, which is a little bit advanced, but hopefully you can take a look at this and see what's going on here. Rather than using the cast conversions there of str, I can just use French braces, also called curly braces, here to display that. This concludes the video on the largest of three programs. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something about variable types and also Python's loosely typed characteristics. Remember, practice is your key to mastery, so keep coding and exploring, and I will see you in the next video.